What's up, my people? What's up, guys? I'm here again. Thank you for stopping by. For those that do not know, my name is Mabel, and I'm glad that you stopped by my channel. Of all places, you guys see this video. I've been trying to do it, but I've not had the strength. It's actually like past 11 p.m. right now, and I'm like, I just got back not too long ago, so I'm saying, I told myself I'm going to do this video today. The video, I think I had even done like some clips before, so just manage it. It's all about the place. I'm going to be showing you guys my baby's room. I'm in the room right now. I'm so excited. Even though I'm not done with the room, I'm not done with the setup, but I think I'm going to do things gradually. But I'm like, okay, so I've done the basic things that I need to do. So I decided to show you guys. I'm super excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Before we continue, for my sake, please give this video a thumbs up, okay? Before we continue, I'm waiting. And then for those that have been watching that have forgotten, if you've forgotten to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. If you love me, you've been watching me, I need you to subscribe to my channel, and I need you to watch my videos. I do not need you to subscribe and not watch. Well, guys, thank you for stopping by. I've been thinking, what do I do with my baby's room? I decided to use the smallest room in my house. This room was actually like a study, but just abandoned basically because it's a very tiny room and nothing can really be done here. It's the smallest room in my house. I decided to just transform it by changing the tiles and painting it. I also changed the window blind. So I'm going to check if I have clips. I should have like tiny clips of the room before now. I do not have like a perfect before clip of the room, but I'm going to show you guys so you can have an idea of what it was like. And then when they were even breaking the tiles, I did some short clips. I'm going to show you guys, and then after that, okay, see it first.
I've been here, but I have to stay afloat. It's not easy. Be a person you don't want. Can somebody take me at the thing going to do? Where is the life where's my childhood?
So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys what the room looks like now. Some things that are here, I'm going to pack them. I'm going to pack them and put them in their packs after this video, especially the things that baby will not be needing for now. I just have them here because it just feels good to. In short, I might not pack them, but I just feel like, oh, let it not get dusty. But I just, just have everything here looking at me, and I'm going to be showing you guys right away. I hope you enjoy watching.
Look behind me. Look behind me. Look behind. Look behind. Look behind. Where is the life like? Where's my childhood? Is this called living? Look behind. I don't know. Where is the life like? Where's my childhood? Is this called living?
Okay, I don't know. I suck at this. I do not know how to bring this video to life. I don't know. I'm losing my skills. But I want to be showing you guys. I want to show you guys the things that I got. I might not show you everything. I don't know what to do with this video. But yeah, this is like Jamal's high chair. My aunt gave it to me. Her baby used it, so she gave it to me. I did not buy it. And then that's the frame that I like so much. You guys know how much I love that because it just tells the story. It's so cute. And then this is a changing mat. I've not opened it. So when I was making this, I asked the person that made this, my carpenter, in whom I am well pleased. I asked him to make this particular space for me to change my baby. That's why I have the changing mat here. I've not loosened it yet because of dust maybe, but I'm going to be changing the baby here. I'm going to be changing Jamal here after having his bath. And this is one little cute gift in case you're looking for what to buy for someone that has a baby. These are like swaddle blankets. They're just two, but they're so cute. One of my favorite colors, even though my favorite color is black, but I love this color so much. So I already did a video before now of what I had here. I'm going to be showing you guys that video. I already unpacked some things because I'm still trying to figure things out, but I had other things here before this car seat even came here, and before I rearranged it. I'm still trying to figure out what to do, but I'm going to be showing you everything I have in here right now. So here I have this beautiful stuff. I don't know what it's called, but my aunt also gave it to me. My aunt that gave me the high chair gave this to me as well. This is for people that have episiotomy, for you to sit on the hot water and salt. So it's basically for me to place this on the toilet seat and sit on it. But we hope we do not have episiotomy in the end. But she gave this to me. She actually sells this, but she gave this to me, and I'm so happy. And Titi, thank you so much. I know you're watching. And then guys, let me show you this tool. I love this tool. In Nigeria, God, why is it dirty? Yeah, so in Nigeria, you need this for your mom to sit and bath your child. So I went to African, you know the Mama Africa Art and Craft Market I showed you guys one time. I'm going to drop a link in case you've not seen that video. I went to that place in Jabi and they made this for me. It's so comfortable. If you sit on this stuff, you will not want to get up again. It's so comfortable. So I have this right here. And then I have, I don't know how to do this video. I just have this little rocker here. I have this plant. I got this plant a while ago, but I do not like it because it's not, they told me it's an indoor plant, and I tried to water it. I want to hang it on the wall, somewhere on the wall, but it's not doing well. It's not blossoming, so I'm not going to use it anymore. I have to buy another one. If you know about plants, what can I do to revive this plant? Because I actually used to really like it, but it's like at some point I have to take it outside for, you know, light to hit it and whatever. But it's not still doing well. So what's wrong? If you know, please tell me. So here we have this little bassinet. It's so cute. It has all this stuff dangling up and down. I'm even going to take this one to the hospital because of the net. I'm going to take it to the hospital, I think. I don't know yet though. I'm going to pack this thing for now until the baby comes. And then under here I kept the mosquito bed that I have. This one I can keep it on the couch, I can keep it on my bed, whatever. But I don't intend making this baby used to people carrying him. He's going to learn to stay by himself. So help me God. So here is like a little playpen. These are the things that we have to really pack because, you know, the baby is not going to be there for now. This is it. God, I don't know how to film this. Am I losing my filming skills, guys? So this is it. I like it. I like the color. And then here I have the baby's dryer and the baby's But I know that I've not done justice to this room yet. I've not done justice to this video yet as well. But yeah, I just want you guys to have an idea of what I'm working on. So I'm going to be filming. There's no AC in this room yet, so I'm hot. It's not easy to breathe though. So I'm going to be filming some of my videos here because I love white. So the whole white paint is just, you know, amazing. I love it so much. I painted the doors and everything white in this room, and that's why, I don't know, you can see the blinds. I was so confused. Should I do curtains? Should I do blinds? I was really confused. The light, man. You guys get to see this over and over. Yeah, I was really confused as to if I should do curtains or blinds and stuff, but my husband said blinds would be better. There was a blind here before, but it's not this type of blind. This one is really nice. I like it. I like the color. So I do not believe in blue and pink. I just want a white space. So any color of anything that I get, it just really pops, you know. So I just thought to show you guys, I'm talking too much. I just thought to show you guys Jamal's room. You're going to be seeing me here. I think the last video I did it here. So you're going to be seeing me here more often. This is going to be like our filming room, maybe. I'm going to be filming here more often, guys. Whew. Our moms carried us. So we have to carry other people, our own children. It's not easy. So yes, again, I pray for those that are believing for this is going to happen for you, and we're going to all celebrate on this channel. We're going to celebrate you because you're going to have your baby soon. I said it, and that's how it's going to be, okay? If you enjoyed this video, please do not leave without giving it a thumbs up, and then hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet. Stay tuned, guys. I'm going to bring more videos your way as my power to reach. Like as I feel carry I will try. I'll try to bring videos your way, okay? I love you guys, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.